Alright, let's dive into the Galaxy XCover 7 Pro, Samsung's next rugged phone that's set to step things up. Samsung has been a big player in the rugged smartphone space, and their latest tough-as-nails device seems to be just around the corner. Rumors initially pointed to a Galaxy XCover 8 Pro, but hold on, it turns out we're actually getting the Galaxy XCover 7 Pro instead. According to a new report from Android Authority, this could mark Samsung's next big leap in rugged smartphone performance. The Galaxy XCover 7, which launched back in January 2024, featured the MediaTek Dimensity 6100 Plus chipset, a solid choice for rugged phones, which don't usually focus on raw power. But if these leaks are accurate, Samsung might be raising the bar significantly this time around. Android Authority uncovered some intriguing details in a code leak, revealing a potential processor upgrade. The XCover 7 Pro is expected to pack Qualcomm's Snapdragon 7S Gen 3, or SM7635, which is almost twice as powerful as the Dimensity 6100 Plus. This means a leap to 4 nanometers architecture, faster cores, and clock speeds up to 2.5 GHz. For a rugged phone, that's impressive. If these details pan out, the XCover 7 Pro could handle multitasking and demanding tasks much more efficiently, all while maintaining the durability Samsung's rugged line is known for. As for other specs, the XCover 7 Pro will likely stick to the same sturdy design we've seen before, like military standard 810H certification, Gorilla Glass Victus protection, and that ever-handy programmable button. It's also expected to keep similar camera setup and microSD card slot from the vanilla XCover 7. However, it's unclear if we'll see any upgrades beyond the processor. Will it be a full refresh, or just a performance boost? We'll have to wait for more leaks, or better yet, an official announcement. So what do you think? Does the idea of a rugged phone with significantly better performance sound appealing to you? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed this breakdown, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit subscribe for more updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Peace.